15 solid pounds of cast iron excellence in the Orbit, the traveling sprinkler. So I thought I'd give you a little overview of how it works, and if it's a good value for you. Let's take a look. I think my favorite part about the unboxing is the simplicity and the technology all built into this really cool package from Orbit. I call it the tractor because it kind of looks like a John Deere tractor, but this traveling sprinkler comes out of the box pretty much ready to go. You'll see a little T-connector into which the sprinkler arms are attached, and the only other item, which is on the left side of the table, was the stopper that when the tractor hits it at the end of its route, turns it off. Now, to operate this device, you plug in your garden hose, you screw it into the back end of the tractor, and then you lay out the path that you want the tractor to follow once you turn on the water. And it's the water from your garden hose that actually provides the power. It's a really ingenious device, and once you turn on the water, you can see, now this is a time-lapse video, but you can see that it moves along the pathway of the hose that you have laid out, leaving behind a very even and thorough sprinkling of your yard. Now, if you watch it in real time, which this is, it's kind of like watching water boil. It takes a very long time to go a very short distance. And then at the end of the day, when you're all done and it has hit that stopper, the sprinkler will turn off and the route will be complete. This is a really cool way to care for your lawn.